Hello everyone, I Dr. Namrata Srivastava, Assistant Professor of Economics, Bhopal School of Social Sciences, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the fundamental concept of economics. Under this, we know about the definition of economics, meaning of economics, nature, scopes and subject matter of economics. So, first we know about what is economics. Economics is a word come from the Greek word oikonomia, which is a combination of two words which is oikos and noms. The meaning of that word is household management. In economics, we have seen two factors like human wants are unlimited and resources are limited. So, how we will fulfill all the requirements? Economic study define. There are two factors which is create problem in economics. First, human wants are unlimited and resources are limited. So, how we will fulfill all the requirements? Economic study deals with the management all these things, how we use all limited resources and how we will fulfill all the requirements. Apart from that, we can say economics is a part or economics is a branch of social sciences that deals in understanding the market and economy of a country. In economics, we studied three economic activities like production, consumption and distribution. Production is the amount of goods and services manufactured and produced per year. Consumption is the amount of goods and services that are used by the population per year. Distribution is the availability of goods and services to the various sections of the country. Definition of economics. Numerous economists given definition of economics. First, Adam Smith. We know about that he is a father of economics. According to Adam Smith, economics is a science of wealth. How to create wealth and how to distribute of wealth under this definition. We know about economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life according to the Alfred Marshall. Economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and square means which have alternative use given by the Robinson. Next definition is given by the Lipsey. They said economics is the study of use of scarce resources to satisfy unlimited human wants. Next topic we will see here, nature of economics. So, we will see it's divided into two parts. Economics is a science, economics is a art. Why we people called economics is a science? Science is defined as a branch of knowledge that is associated with the causal and effect relationship and analyzes economic factors. Additionally, economics contribute in combining various sections of science like statistics, mathematics, etc. to understand the relationship between price, supply, demand and various economic determination. So, economics is a science because we have to collect data, analyzing this step by step study and finding the solution, and we will predict the future also. No? So, that is why we can say the economics is a science. Why we called economics is a art? Economics is a art because it's control and represent the way things should be approached and completed. Economics has multiple sections such as creation, delivery, consumption, finance, etc. component in solving complex issues and queries of society. So, we can say economics is an art. In society, in economics, we can see lots of problems are there, difficulties are there. With the help of policies, we can solve all the social economic policies. So, we can say economics is an art. Next, we will discuss about the positive economic and normative economic. It is a part of economics as a science. What is positive economics? It is a branch of economics whose focus is on a data fact. Its nature is descriptive and the answer given the question what is. The purpose of positive economics is to analyze causal effect relationship. The perspective of positive economics is objective and the focus on positive economics is economic issues and resolve it with the help of data. Other name of positive economics is pure economics and descriptive economics also. Next is what is normative economics. It is a branch of economics whose focus is on value, judgment and the opinions. The nature of economics is perspective. Answer the question normative economics is what should be and ought to be. The purpose of normative economics is to analyze and make value judgment. The perspective of normative economics is subjective. The focus on normative economics is providing solution to economic issues. The other name of normative economics is policy economics. Next topic is scope of economics. Under the economics, we will study different sectors and aspects like macroeconomics, microeconomics, international economics, development economics, public economics, environmental economics, urban and rural economics and health economics, so on. So, first we know about scope economics is what is macroeconomics. Microeconomics is a branch of economics which study individual economic agents like consumer or producer. Macroeconomics deal with overall whole aggregate study. The area of macroeconomics is vaster than the microeconomics. International economics including international trade, exchange rate, international financial inflows. Development economics, under this section we will study so many theories which is helpful for the growth or development of the economy. Public economics, under this we will study public expenditure, taxation and the welfare programs. Environmental economics study the relationship between environment and economy. If environment is grow, what was the effect of economy? We will discuss under this economy. If the economy is growing, what was the effect of the environment? We will discuss about the environmental economics. Last topic is subject matter of economics. So, we will study under this there are two variables microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is the branch of economics that is related to the study of individual, household, firms' behavior in decision making and allocation of resources like price, demand, production, consumption and how they influence the market. Next, macroeconomics. Macroeconomics studies the whole economy that covers several market segments, deals with the overall economics policies, aggregate variables to the economic like national income, unemployment, inflation and economic growth. I think you understand the fundamental of concept of economics. Thank you.